Hi, my name is Miila. Let's dive into what's new in this release. This version is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of existing Flow Manager instances. Note that Flow Manager requires a database to store the Flow repository. If you are using MongoDB, check that the version is 4.4 or 5.0, especially before performing an update.
Let's quickly go through the most important fixes and updates in this release. SecureTransport integration updates. There are some additional prerequisites when using Flow Manager with the latest SecureTransport versions. Make sure you check our user documentation to set this properly before upgrading your SecureTransport products. Hybrid bridge agent and direct connection for transfer CFT. Flow Manager now supports managing both transfer CFTs using agent and transfer CFTs with direct communication simultaneously. Manage flows with Flow Manager Terraform Provider. Flow Manager Terraform Provider is currently a technical preview feature that allows managing the following: create, edit, deploy, and delete subscriptions based on existing templates, create, edit, and delete partners along with their communication profiles and credentials, create, edit, and delete product communication profiles and credentials for registered products and unmanaged products. Let's now go through the most important fixes in this release. If a subscription had the undeploying status, after 3 hours it is automatically changed to deployed in error. Use participant name, participant position, and participant type to filter the subscriptions using subscriber properties. The folder monitoring feature did not allow a configuration in which the working directory was a subdirectory of the scanning directory. This is now fixed. Flow Manager allows such a configuration only if the parameter scan subfolders is set to no. These are the most important fixes that were addressed in this release, and you can find a complete list of fixes and product enhancements in the release notes that can be found in the description below. One of the new features delivered this month is account templates for FTP and HTTP flows in partner client communication profiles for SecureTransport flows. This helps users defined in the SecureTransport LDAP IDP log into SecureTransport to transfer files via FTP or HTTP protocol. Account templates for SFTP protocol will soon be available, so stay tuned for updates on the next deliveries. You can now create flows using the Axway Google Cloud Storage connector. This connector operates as an application and enables SecureTransport to exchange files using server-initiated transfers with the Google Cloud Storage service. Additional partner credentials. This feature enables partners to connect to SecureTransport using any configured certificate or key while using the same user login in client communication profiles for FTP, HTTP, and SFTP protocols when SecureTransport receives files. You just select a principal certificate or key and optionally select additional certificates or keys in the Select Additional Public Certificates and Select Additional Public Keys fields.
Thanks for watching. Find more information and resources in the description below. If you are not familiar with Flow Manager, check the description below to access free introductory product training. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.